As the weather warms up, while the spring breeze blows green flowers and trees, it also raises dust and sand. The dust of many high-rise buildings and construction sites is blown to the street community, which not only affects the road sanitation of the community, but also destroys the air quality of the community. So is there any good way to solve the problem of dust? The use of this small electric sprinkler can solve the dust problem in communities, construction sites, and other environments. This small electric 3-wheel sprinkler adopts a load-carrying 3-wheel chassis and an integrated curved beam structure design. It has strong load-carrying capacity and is small and flexible. It can also drive flexibly on relatively narrow community roads and can drive on the sidewalk without damage to floor tiles, well covers and other public facilities. Moreover, it is also equipped with 1500 L high-capacity water tank to meet the watering needs of community greening.